Monopoly Go airplane mode glitch for Android. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply turn off your mobile internet. Make sure that you have turned off the Wi-Fi and the internet as well, or you can keep your device on airplane mode. After that, just simply roll the dice and count the number of moves your player has moved. So just simply count it and write it down on a piece of paper and keep doing it until you hit the railroad. So this way you would be able to know exactly the number of moves that you are making which each roll of the dice, and just note it down, and it might take sometimes 10 roll of dice for you in order to check out all the moves. And as soon as you hit the railroad and your character appears on the screen, just simply close down your Monopoly Go and uninstall the application. After that, you would require internet in order to download Monopoly Go again. So simply turn on the internet after that and download Monopoly Go, sign into your account, and this time your character will be moving according to the same number of moves that you saw earlier that you wrote down. So this way you know exactly where your character will be dropping in, and you can just strategize accordingly. If suppose you are dropping on a place where you can get good amount of money, just here you have to close down the application. So what I was saying, that you would know exactly where your character will land, and this way you can strategize better and increase the multiplier in order to earn even better rewards. So just simply go this way and you would be able to make good money in Monopoly Go. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.